not a snow. Look at this. At the backyard. Not a snow. Look at the swing there. Oh, look all the chair, all build-ups, and still snowing, guys. Oh, not a snowstorm, guys. I've been shoveling this morning, guys. Look at the snow. Look at the car. And the car over there. And this car. That's my son there shoveling the snow. Look. It's my son there. Hey, Philip, you wanna mix some ice slushy? Oh, look at all the cars. We can't even get out. We have to shovel this driveway. Everybody shoveling. Everybody shoveling, guys. It's it. Look at the snow. Look at the height. That's it, guys. Look at this. This is the road. Make a walk. Look at these houses. Halfway in the driveway. Look at the snow. Look at the car. The van. They cover up with snow. I think this is the biggest snowstorm. That's a sidewalk. Look at here. Look at all those cars. Guys, this is the biggest snowstorm I have never seen here. Okay, this road's a little bit clean, guys. People are digging snow. Look at the snow. Look at the car, guys. Look at the snow, guys. Still blowing. Okay. I got a gas can, guys. I think I ran out of the gas. Well, this snowstorm, guys, make sure you got a full tank of gas. This guy going to the gas station to get some gas. Alright, guys, take care and stay safe. Okay, drive slow. Well, guys, look at the road. It's almost empty. So, guys, drive safely. Make sure when you drive in snow, got a full tank of gas just in case you get stuck. Oh, this is gonna walk, right? You're gonna climb up. Oh boy, we're climb up here. Oh boy, look at the snow. Oh, it's not easy to walk. Okay, guys, after 6 hours or 7 hours, the snowstorm is gone. But look at the snow. Mountains. Look at here. Make sure, guys, when you drive the snow, you gotta full tank of gas just in case you get stuck.